Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that this is our online English class and today we are going to start with revision, but this time we will start with combined revisions. Okay, so that means chapter number 3, 5 and 7 as I have given you for your syllabus. In the syllabus I have written chapter 3, that was Hasmina's Kite, chapter 5 that was the Happy Field, and chapter 7 that was Sona's Adventure. So all the 3 chapters are combined. Okay, so today we are going to do only 2 topics from all these 3 chapters. First is word meanings and then second will be your fill in the blanks. Is that clear? So today we are going to do revision number 1, and you all have to do this revision 1 part in your revision notebooks. Is that clear? In your revision notebooks you will write all these word meanings, and then when I will give you the fill in the blanks, you will write all those fill in the blanks also. Now coming to the first part, that is A part, word meanings. Now here children, as you all know that I will explain you in the video with answers. I will write the words and the meanings and then I will explain you. Then after that, with the video, when I will give you the assignment, in that assignment I will not write the answers. I will only give you the words and you have to write their meanings on your own. So for writing the meanings on your own, for writing the answers on your own, you should remember all your answers clearly. So for that you have to learn it. Okay, so start learning and start preparing for your exams. Now coming to the first word meaning, that is frightened. Frightened means darna. So the meaning will be scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. Number 2, word is lovely. The meaning for word lovely will be pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Lovely means sundar lagna, अच्छा लगना. So the answer will be pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Coming to the third word, terrace. Terrace means roof. Roof, R-O-O-F, roof will be your meaning. And what is the meaning in Hindi? आपके घर की जो छत होता है उसको हम terrace बोलेंगे. Okay, so terrace means roof. Coming to the fourth part, plain, simple and bare. बिल्कुल plain. What is a plain thing? It is flat, simple and bare, जहाँ पे आप कोई चीज नहीं उगा सकते. Is that clear? Coming to the fifth part, lane, L-A-N-E, lane, a narrow way. You might have seen that some roads are very narrow, okay, like lanes, so those are called a narrow way. Sixth part is hollow, an empty hole. Okay, hollow is an empty hole, a big hole where there is nothing. Desert, a large area of land covered with sand. डेजर्ट क्या है? एक लार्ज एरिया है लैंड का, जमीन का एक बहुत बड़ा एरिया जो किससे कवर्ड है? सैंड से. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ कमिंग टू द एट्थ पार्ट, दैट इज सिंक. सो द मीनिंग फॉर सिंक इज टू गो डाउनवर्ड्स. दैट मीन्स नीचे की तरफ जाके डूबना. ओके, सिंक मीन्स टू गो डाउनवर्ड्स. कमिंग टू द नाइन्थ वर्ड, दैट इज स्ट्रेच, टू पुल समथिंग, किसी चीज को खींचना. इज दैट क्लियर? I hope you all have understood the word meanings. Once again, I am repeating the word meanings, children. Listen to it very carefully. First word is frightened. The meaning is scared. Second word is lovely. Meaning is pretty. Third word is terrace. Meaning is roof. Fourth word, plain. Meaning is simple and bare. Fifth word, lane. Meaning is a narrow way. Sixth word is hollow, an empty hole. Seventh word, desert, meaning is a large area of land covered with sand. Eighth word, sink, meaning is to go downwards. Ninth word is stretch, meaning is to pull something. So is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood. So I want you all to write these word meanings in your notebooks and in your revision notebooks and learn these word meanings, as all these word meanings are very important for you all. Okay, and in the exams you will be getting word meanings from these 9 word meanings only. Is that clear? So please learn these word meanings very nicely. Is that clear? Now coming to the second part, that is the B part, fill in the blanks. Now again children, here I will give you the sentences with answers. I will explain you the fill in the blanks. There are 8 fill in the blanks. I will explain you. Then in the assignment I will not write the answers, and you have to write the answers on your own. You have to fill the blanks on your own. Is that clear? So coming to the fill in the blanks, listen to it very carefully children. First one is, Hasmina and Saif were frightened of Sharma ji on the dash. हसमीना और सैफ किससे डर गए थे? शर्मा जी से. कहाँ पर? On the roof. ROOF, roof. Is that clear? Coming to the second, शर्मा जी stopped walking and watched the dash kite. शर्मा जी जब वॉक कर रहे थे रूफ पे तो he stopped walking and watched the dash kite. कौन सी काइट को देखने के लिए वो रुक गए थे? ब्लैक काइट, BLACK, ब्लैक काइट. थर्ड सेंटेंस, द फील्ड डिसाइडेड टू ग्रो अ डैश. फील्ड ने क्या डिसाइड किया था अपने आप में ग्रो करने के लिए? हम्प, HUMP, हम्प. कमिंग टू द फोर्थ, द फील्ड डैश हिज न्यू फ्रेंड्स. फील्ड अपने न्यू फ्रेंड्स को the field started loving his new friends. So the answer is loved. The field loved his new friends. LOVED, loved. Now the fifth sentence, the water in the pool was dash. pool के अंदर जो water था वो कैसा था? clear, CLEAR, clear. Sixth one is, Sona felt dash while walking. सोना कैमल को वॉकिंग करने के टाइम पे क्या फील हुआ था? What did she start feeling? She started feeling thirsty. THIRSTY, thirsty. उसको प्यास लग रही थी. Sona felt thirsty while walking. Seventh is, Billy goat fell into the dash. Billy goat जो था वो किस में गिर गया था? Pond में. POND, pond. Now the last eighth one is, Billy the goat dash on Sona's back. बिली गोट को बचाने कौन आया था? सोना. तो सोना के कहाँ पे चढ़ के गया था? सोना के बैक पे क्लाइंब करके गोट को उसने बाहर निकाला था. इज दैट क्लियर? पॉन्ड में से. तो बिली द गोट क्लाइम्ड ऑन सोनास बैक. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द 8 fill in the blanks. Listen to it carefully. First one, Hasmina and Saif were frightened of Sharma ji on the roof. Hasmina और सैफ शर्मा जी से डर गए थे रूफ पे. शर्मा जी स्टॉप्ड वॉकिंग एंड वॉच द ब्लैक काइट. शर्मा जी जब वॉक कर रहे थे उन्होंने अचानक वॉक करना बंद कर दिया एंड ही स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग द ब्लैक काइट. इज दैट क्लियर? थर्ड इज, द फील्ड डिसाइडेड टू ग्रो अ हम्प. फील्ड ने डिसाइड किया था कि वो अपने आप में एक हम्प ग्रो करेंगे. फोर्थ वन इज, द फील्ड लव्ड हिज न्यू फ्रेंड्स. फिफ्थ इज, the water in the pool was clear. Sixth is, Sona felt thirsty while walking. Okay, सोना जब वॉक कर रही थी तो उसको बहुत तेज प्यास लगी. Billy goat fell into the pond. Eighth one, last one is, Billy the goat climbed on Sona's back. जब उसको सोना ने बचाया तो अपने पीठ पे बैठा के उसको वहां से पॉन्ड से बाहर निकाला था. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दीज 2 parts. फर्स्ट पार्ट वाज word meanings, and there were 9 word meanings, combined 9 word meanings from chapter 3, 5 and 7. And part B, in part B I have given fill in the blanks. They are also combined from chapter 3, 5 and 7. So children, I hope you will all learn it and then you will write the answers on your own. So please complete your work. This work is to be completed in your revision copies. Please complete your work and start learning from these revision only. Okay, if you don't want to learn the whole chapter, you can learn from your revision work. Is that clear? Because these revision work which I am giving you every day, they are very important for you all. Okay, your question paper will be made from these revision part only, so you will be able to give answers very clearly. Is that clear? So children, please complete your work, and again and again I am reminding you all that please bring your copies to school and get them corrected, all your subject copies to school. and get them corrected, because your copies contain 10 marks. You will be given 10 marks on your assignment work. Okay, so please complete that, and your timings for correction is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and you can come from Monday to Saturday. Okay, every day you can come, and you can come and you can get your copies corrected. Is that clear, children? So till my next video, complete all your work and get your copies corrected also, and start learning. So please, children, be prepared for your exams. Is that clear? Till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.